Hi, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2020 in Portland, Oregon with Sam from Refeyn. And Sam, could you please tell us what Refeyn does?
Refeyn is the only company that makes mass photometers. And mass photometers are instruments that use interferometric light scattering to measure the mass of biomolecules in solution.
So what kind of industries would find your equipment useful?
Many different industries would find these instruments useful. We have one instrument that is specific for use with AAVs, so adeno-associated viruses. And this is a virus that has been used in several different approved gene therapies. So companies who are working on gene therapies really like using this product because it gives them a very quick way to measure the ratio of empty to partially filled to full AAV capsids. Okay. And other industry labs and academic labs have a variety of uses for the mass photometer. We have a generalized instrument that can be used to measure sample purity, to see what percent of a protein complex is bound versus unbound, to see if you have proteins that are oligomerizing or not. So any questions that you have that can be answered by finding the mass of a biomolecule, the mass photometer can answer for you.
Wow, that's kind of interesting. So the instrument that you brought with you, can you tell us to the floor today? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, it is a very versatile instrument that can measure the mass of biomolecules between 30 kilodaltons and 5 megadaltons. So that is a very, very wide range, and we can guarantee a 5% mass accuracy for the population of measurements, but a 2% accuracy for any individual member.
Well, that's pretty good. Any last comments, anything interesting that you really want people to know about?
A couple things. One, the instrument is really special because it is so fast at measuring the mass of your sample. So it takes 1 minute to collect data and then less than 5 minutes to analyze your data. So this instrument, because it's small, relatively cost-effective to run, it saves time and money and space, and it's a really great instrument for many different places in an analytical workflow. We also have an automated add-on, the 2MP Auto, that can take 14 measurements per hour autonomously. So you can program it to do your experiment for you and let the robot do the pipetting.
Well, that's always a plus, pipetting. Okay, well, thanks a lot, Sam. This is Eric Miller from M&M 2022 in Portland, Oregon, and we'll see you on the next one.